Cold as the mountaintops, fierce as the wind, the golden eagle reigns supreme. With a wingspan stretching up to 7 feet, it's an aerial acrobat, a master of the skies. Its piercing eyesight, up to 8 times stronger than a human's, ensures no prey escapes its deadly gaze. Golden eagles are solitary creatures, preferring the company of vast landscapes over crowded skies. They're not just airborne hunters, they're architects too, building nests that can weigh up to 2 tons. Crowned with golden feathers, they're the embodiment of regal grace. But make no mistake, the golden eagle is a formidable predator. Its talons, sharper than a surgeon's scalpel, can exert a crushing force of over 400 pounds per square inch. So next time you look towards the heavens, remember the golden eagle, the true king of the skies.